see if there's anything good in the fridge. Former enemies, one and all. A catalogue of thieves, double-crossers, and do-gooders. There to meet your maker, your ice maker.
Makes me laugh every time, man.
Shut that door.
Good nitrogen apple freezes instantly.
There's a paperclip in my back pocket. See if you can get it. In the pocket, in the pocket.
It's cold.
That's why I wore my mittens.
Huh? Men don't wear mittens. Take them off. You're embarrassing me.
Well, it's all right for you. You got little hands.
Oh, got it.
They don't get as cold.
I ain't got little hands.
Yeah, you have. You've got ladies' hands.
Oh, they might be small, but they're lethal weapons, these.
You got your mother's hands. What you
Right, put your hands together.
Oh, I can see. Oh,
Squirm in.
Goodbye, Ferdinand. Now, let me see the latest addition to my cubist collection.
what? Impossible.
Oi, Kermit! The prize returns to me. You big fat slimy airbag.
Why are you stopping? Don't we have a plan?
We?
Wait. Wait, you can't just leave me here.
Faster, you idiot status keepers! Not the master cable!
We have a plan?
Put that back!
Wait. No, both of us?
You're right. Toodaloo.
No, wait.
Freeze.
Oh, no, don't break. There are things I want to do, sights I want to see. That wasn't on the list.
Hey.
Do something. Keep your legs straight when you hit the water.
I kept my legs straight, Spike.
Oh,